Sad end. Unbelievable. Fans allegedly urged actor LATEEF ADEDIMEJI to divorce wife Mo Bimpe over alleged infertility. In a surprising turn of events, popular Nollywood actor LATEEF ADEDIMEJI is facing intense social media pressure from some fans who have reportedly urged him to consider ending his marriage to fellow actress Mo Bimpe, Adebimpe Oyebade. The call for divorce, allegedly sparked by unfounded rumors of her inability to conceive, has stirred heated debates across social media platforms. The couple, who tied the knot in a lavish ceremony in December 2021, have often been the subject of public scrutiny, particularly regarding their family planning decisions. Despite their frequent public displays of affection and their efforts to keep their private lives out of the spotlight, a section of fans and critics have taken to social media to voice their unsolicited opinions on their marriage. Reports indicate that several followers have left comments on LATEEF ADEDIMEJI's posts, suggesting that he should end his marriage due to Mo Bimpe's alleged struggles with infertility. These comments have sparked outrage among the couple's supporters, with many condemning the insensitivity and lack of empathy displayed by those making such suggestions. Neither LATEEF ADEDIMEJI nor Mo Bimpe has publicly responded to these comments, choosing instead to focus on their respective careers. Both actors continue to thrive in the Nollywood industry, with numerous projects and accolades to their names. LATEEF ADEDIMEJI responded to the fans, "I cannot divorce my wife because she is everything to me. I really and truly love my wife." Kindly subscribe to our channel to get more thrilling news about Nollywood actors and actresses.